Does your automatic windows in your 2010 Toyota Rav4 not function? You push them all the way down and the window does not go all the way down or all the way up? Well, the window regulator motor is probably in fail-safe mode because it needs to be reinitialized. How you reinitialize this, now you don't need all this door panel off or anything, but we happen to be doing a repair, so we had it off. But to reinitialize the window, what you want to do is pull this switch all the way up. You're going to hold it up for about a couple seconds, and then you're going to push in the down function. And you're going to do this about 5 times. Hold it down for about 5 seconds. Then we'll do the same with up again. Hold it in the up position, about 5 seconds. And then in the down position. All right, let it cool down for a second. And now we're gonna try it. And look, the automatic window is working. And it stops where it needs to stop. And it goes down.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.